Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about GALA price prediction and GALA news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for GALA in 2022. GALA Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of GALA Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the GALA Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games GALA should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, GALA Games also uses GALA, its own utility token. So far, GALA Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, GALA Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. Now we will tell you news about GALA cryptocurrency. GALA investors anticipating profit should know this level is crucial for them. On the charts, the past week saw GALA climb from the $0.192 lows to 26 cents, before pulling back to the $0.224 area in search of demand. It appeared that early in March, GALA had continued on its bullish market structure and pushed past 27 cents, but the $0.275 highs rejected the advance of the bulls. A set of Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, were drawn based on the move from $0.192 to $0.276. The $0.224.21 levels were shown to be the 61.8% and 78.6% retracement levels of this move. Therefore, while we can expect some demand and temporary relief in these areas, further downside could be likely. The $0.224 level, which had acted as demand a few days ago, was flipped to supply in recent hours. The RSI has been unable to break above a short-term descending trendline, weight, and stood at 39.9, which showed bearish momentum was strong once more. The CVD showed that the past few days had seen steady selling volume, which meant that the downtrend had legs to stand on. A further downside could be seen for GALA, especially if Bitcoin fails to hold on to the $38K, $39K area. Conclusion: the charts showed that further downside was likely for GALA, now that 24 cents was flipped to resistance. To the south, demand could arrive at the 21 cents and $0.192 levels. The near-term market structure was flipped to bearish when $0.256 was flipped to resistance, hence the short-term outlook remained bearish. So next news. Binance Coin, Terra, GALA price analysis. After forming a long-term descending triangle, BNB broke down from the vital $512 mark. Since then, it witnessed numerous sell-offs that flipped the $414 level from support to immediate resistance. As a result, the alt headed south to hit its 5-month low on 24 February. Over the last few days, after falling from its up channel, green, BNB saw an inverse head and shoulder on its 4-hour chart. Thus, the alt was up by nearly 25% over the last week. Furthermore, the 20 EMA, red, offered strong support after jumping above the 50 EMA, sign. At press time, the BNB traded at $404.7. The RSI rapidly grew in an up channel during the last week. It showed an expected reversal from the overbought region, while aiming to test the 58 support. Any close below this level could propel a further downfall. After breaking down from the up channel from the $86 mark, Luna lost half its value and plunged towards its 2-month low on 31 January. This level coincided with the 61.8% Fibonacci support. Thus, after testing this level multiple times, Luna initiated a recovery phase. It saw exceptional gains of over 91.7% in the past 9 days. But this up channel seemingly halted at the $94 resistance. From here on, a close below the pattern could lead to a 23.6% Fibonacci level retest. At press time, Luna was trading at $92.77. The bullish RSI kept hovering above the 61 mark for the past few days. Now, it showed slowing signs from the overbought territory. Also, the CMF refrained from closing below the zero line, keeping the bullish edge intact. GALA lost its advantage as values below 40 are interpreted as strongly bearish. In fact, at press time, the RSI was at 46, which was closer to neutral than bearish. The OBV has also made a series of higher lows in the past month, which showed buying volume has outweighed selling volume despite the rejection at 39 cents. The directional movement index showed that a strong trend was not in progress, and this by itself evidenced that a shift in trend could be around the corner. Conclusion: given the uncertain market conditions on the longer timeframes and the dominance of fear in recent weeks, it could be risky to be confident that GALA has indeed shifted its market structure. However, the slow but steady demand coupled with the bounce from the $0. 216 level, which was also an area of demand, showed that bulls have a reason to be optimistic. However, if GALA drops below 21 cents, this bullish outlook would have to be shelved. Next news, EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the global financial system. The move came days after Russian military forces launched attacks on various cities and military bases in Ukraine, including in the nation's capital Kiev. Italy, Hungary, and Cyprus were initially opposed to the move, but expressed, if you are looking for GALA price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is GALA a good investment? How much will GALA cost in 2025? Or how much will GALA cost in the next 10 years? GALA price prediction 2022. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. GALA could cross 33 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2022. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2022 will be around 28 cents. GALA course prediction 2023. GALA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the GALA course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the GALA rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. GALA the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. GALA course forecast 2024. GALAs have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in GALA, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. GALA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. GALA rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, GALA prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of GALA could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. GALA rate forecast 2026. The current GALA price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore GALA could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following